Hi, it's Mrs. Souza. Today we're going to make some handmade soap.
I'm going to pause myself right here. We're actually making Jiggly soap.
And actually the soap doesn't take a lot of ingredients and it sets pretty quickly in the refrigerator. We're talking like 2 to 3 hours in the fridge, but it only takes a few minutes to make.
I know that it might look like there's a lot of ingredients here, but let's do a rundown. You'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. You will need 3/4 of a cup of liquid hand soap. You will need 3/4 of a cup of warm water and 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. If you choose to use food coloring, that's up to you. So we start off by pouring the packet of unflavored gelatin into a small bowl. Next, we will need 3/4 of a cup of the warm water. We'll go ahead and add that warm water to the gelatin and whisk it until it is completely dissolved. Here's the optional step of adding food coloring. Let's add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, we'll measure out 3/4 of a cup of liquid hand soap. It can have a fragrance in it too. Now we will add the soap to our mix and we will stir it up. Next step is taking hand sanitizer and spraying it into the mold that we have chosen to use. This is important because it helps to pop the bubbles. That's what the alcohol in it does. Now we're going to pour our liquid into the mold. Very carefully, I'm using my measuring cup. All right, we're in the home stretch now. We're going to use our hand sanitizer and mist the top to pop those bubbles. When we're done with spraying, we'll put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And check out what comes out. It's like jiggly jello, except it's made of soap. It was lots of fun to make and not very hard. Literally. Yes, it should be kept in the refrigerator after you make it until you are ready to use it. And even though my hand looks green, it will wash off. And it does lather up. I probably used mine only 1 time. So it's like a one-time use because it crumbled up after I was done with it. But it would be fun to use in the bathtub. Thanks for making soap with me today. Until next time.